Hey guys, what's up? I'm from Jamaica. Greetings from Jamaica. So today we're gonna react to a song by Dimash which was 6 years ago. This is called Hello. So without further ado, let's hear what Dimash have to say in this one. Peace. Okay, so if you guys are watching this video after Christmas, during Christmas, and before Christmas, I want to say Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. I wish you all a prosperous New Year to come and many more years of blessed ahead your way. So let's venture into Dimash's world.
I've been alone with you inside my mind, and in my dreams I've kissed your lips 1,000 times. I sometimes see you pass outside my door. Hello. Is it me you're looking for? I can see it in your eyes, I can see it in your smile. You're all I've ever wanted, and my arms are open wide, 'cause you know just what to say, and you know just what to do. And I want to tell you so much. I love you. I love you. I've been alone with you inside.
Wow, wow, absolutely terrific performance. Very good, very good, very, very good.
My mind, and in my dreams I've kissed your lips 1,000 times. I sometimes see you pass outside my door. Hello, is it me you're looking for? I can see it in your eyes, I can see it in your smile. You're all I've ever wanted, and my arms are open wide, 'cause you know just what to say, and I know just what to do.
This is way too superb. Very good tune. Spectacular vocals, bro. Like, this was like years ago, bro. And trust me, this man elevates so much. Dimash now is unstoppable, bro.
But I want to tell you so much. Oh, I need.
Just when you thought we've heard it all, he's just now started to give us what we're here for. Like, how can this man be so beautifully when he's performing? Like, he's just that type of guy who kills his performance all the time. Yo, he's unmatched. He's unmatched. He's unmatched, bro. Like, holy Mary of Jesus. Oh my God, bro. This, oh, right now, speechless, bro. Like, this is mind blowing, bro. Mind blowing. Jesus Christ, bro. No way. No freaking way. He's incomparable. Yo, like, how can people even come to realization that this man isn't a siren? Bro, this man is literally a guy who's not from this earth, bro. He's definitely not from this earth because I never yet heard someone so freaking awesome. I ain't gonna lie, I ain't gonna cap, bro. He's freaking awesome, bro.
Үлкен рахмет. Рұқсат болса, шын жүректен осы жобаға үлкен рахмет айтамын.
Then he continued as if nothing happened. Wow. Very good, bro. Very good. Very good. Very good, Dimash. Very good.
Congratulations. 非常感谢，非常感谢中国，我爱你，非常感谢 I'm singer Maestro，谢谢。
来，掌声给迪玛希！告诉大家一个秘密，小迪同学。
Dimash, bro. Very good, bro. Very good. We love you from Jamaica, bro. Lots and lots of love from Jamaica. You deserve this, bro. You are coming from far and you've made it thus far and you deserve it. So if you guys enjoyed my reaction, remember to stay tuned, subscribe for more Dimash. It's my pleasure to check out this Dimash as well. It's my first time actually knowing that Dimash sung that song called Hello. So, Merry Christmas when it comes. I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.